Okay, what do you do if your smartphone does not have a head jack input in order to plug in your headphones? So a lot of phones today, smartphones, do not have that. A lot of the new iPhones, the Samsung Galaxies, the Google Pixels, the OnePluses, the Aces, the Sonys, they do not have a designated head jack any longer where you can put headphones. Now you can do Bluetooth on most of these smartphones, but if you want something to where you are hardwiring your headphones directly into it, there's a very simple fix. It's called a 3M adapter, headphone audio adapter to USB-C, and you can get it off of Amazon, and I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get it very cheap, like for around $7 or $8. It looks something like this, and so it's got the USB-C that goes with most smartphones. That's basically where you plug in your power. It doesn't matter what phone that you have, and this is the audio, the headphone jack that you plug that in. This is basically just an adapter, and again, I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get one. So the only thing you have to do is just locate where the power is on your smartphone. Let's say this is a Samsung Galaxy. The only thing you have to do is plug it in like you would plug in the power, and then get your headphone jack, headphones, and you don't have to have any kind of software. It's a plug and play. It's already ready to go. You just plug that in, and you push play, and then you should be able to get it. Let's go ahead and push play. See if you can hear it.
You serious?
All right. So it's very cheap. Again, I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get this very inexpensively. And let me know in the comment section what phone that you have. And put that in the comment section. That way other people can read it and see what phone that you have, and maybe they have the exact same one. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.